Yes, students, chapter number 12, Heron's formula is going on. So, today we will solve some problems related to Heron's formula. So, one question related to quadrilateral. As the sides of a quadrilateral field taken in order are 26 meter, 27 meter, 7 meter, and 24 meter respectively. The angle formed by the last two sides is right angle. Find its area. So ABCD quadrilateral field is like this. AB is 26 meter. This is BC 27 meter, and this is 24 meter, and this is 7 meter. So we have to find the area of this field. The angle formed by these two sides is a right angle. So ABCD is a quadrilateral field. So to find the area of this field, this is not rhombus, this is not square, this is not rectangle, this is not parallelogram, then and this is not trapezium also. Then how will find the area of this quadrilateral field? So first I will join AC. After joining AC, ADC is right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle you already know by using Pythagoras theorem we can find hypotenuse. So first I will find the diagonal of this right angle triangle. So now in right solution in right angle triangle ADC, in right angle triangle ADC, by using Pythagoras theorem find AC. AC is equal to, this is base, this is perpendicular, base square 24 square, and perpendicular is 7 square. 24 square is 576, and 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. Then 576 plus 49, 625. 625. 625 is square of 25. Square cancel to square root. So answer is 25. So AC is 25. AC is 25. Because this is right angle triangle, in this one base is 24 meter and perpendicular is 7. So by using 1 by 2 base into height, we can find the area. So for finding the area of this portion, we can use this formula. So now area of ADC. Now area of ADC, it means triangle. Area of triangle ADC, 1 by 2, base is 24 and perpendicular is 7. So 12 to ja 24 and 12 7 ja 84. 84 square meter. 84 square meter. This is right or wrong? Yes, right. So this is the area of this triangle. Now in triangle ABC we have all the sides. So because triangle is scalene. So by using Heron's formula, we will find the area of this triangle. Now triangle ABC, I am writing like this. Now triangle ABC, find S. S stands for half parameter. S is equal to 26 plus 27 plus 25 by 2. 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 6, 18. 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 2, 7. 78 by 2. 78 by 2, it means 39. So S is 39. Now area of ABC, is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S stands half parameter, so half parameter is 39. 39 into 39 minus A. A is 26. S minus B, it means 39 minus 27 and 39 minus 25. 25. 39 minus 6, 26, 30. 39 minus 27, 12. 39 minus 25, 14. Have you understood? Yes. Now make the prime factors. 39, 13 multiplied by 3, 13 and 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 14, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 7. 13 2 times, 13 square, 2 square, 3 square, and this is 14 because 2 and 7 left, so multiply them 14. Any doubt, any confusion? So square cancel to square root. So 13 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 root 14. So multiply them, 78 root 14. This is the area of second triangle. You can find the square root of 14 up to 2 places of decimal, then multiply by 78. You can solve like this, and if you want to keep only this one, this also right. So total area I am writing here. See, total area of the field. Area of this triangle I got 84. 84 plus this is 78 root 14. Keep in bracket and write here square meter. Or you can find the value of 14 up to 2 places of decimal, then multiply and then add. That also right and this also right. Have you understood? Yes. Now next is also related to Heron's formula. The parameter So what is the statement? The perimeter of a triangle is given. The perimeter of a triangular field is the perimeter of triangular field. Triangular field is 144 square meter. Sorry, 144 meter. This is perimeter, not area. 44 meter. The sides are in the ratio, and the ratio of the sides given. So what is the ratio? Ratio of the sides is 3:4:5. So we have to find the area. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. So we have to find the area of this field. Because perimeter is given and the ratio of the sides also given. So I will assume solution. Let sides of the triangle. Let the sides of triangular field let the sides of triangular field 3x, 4x and 5x meter respectively, or you can write only sides. So these are the sides. Parameter is given and sides ratio is not there. Now I assumed accurate values, mean 3x is accurate measurement. So parameter of a triangular field, parameter of triangular field is 144 meter. 144 meter. Therefore 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 144 meter. 3 and 4 7 and 5 12x is equal to 144. So x will be 144 by 12. X will be 12 meter. X will be 12 meter. Then the sides, because this is the value of x and sides are 3x, 4x and 5x. So multiply with 3 by 5, then we'll get 36. Then sides of field, of triangular field, you can write triangular field. Three multiply value of x is 12, it means 36 meter. 4 multiply with 12, 48 meter. And 5 multiply with x, 5 multiply with 12, 60 meter. 36, 48 and 60 meter. These are the sides of triangular field. Now find S. S is equal to 36 plus 48 plus 60 divided by 2. S stands for half perimeter. So 144 by 2. Add them. So total will be 144 by 2. So 72. Half perimeter is 72 meter. Now area of field. Area of field. Formula you know. What is formula? S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S? S is 72. 72 minus first side is 36. 72 second side is 40. First side is 36 and second side is 48 and third is 60. So 48, 72 minus 60. So this is the area of a triangle. Now simplify it. 72 minus 36, 36, 72 minus 48, 24, and 72 minus 60, 12. Up to here, any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now make prime factors. You can start from small and direct also you can write, because 36 is here, so 72 can be written 36 minus 36 multiplied by 2. So this will be simple because you are understanding. So 36 multiplied by 2, because 36 is already there, so we need one more 36, then there will be 36 square. Is it clear? Yes. So 36 multiplied by 2, 36, and 24 can be written 12 multiplied by 2, because 12 is there, no need to make the smallest factors. So 12 multiplied by 2 and 12 is there. So 36 square, 12 multiplied by 12, 12 square, and 2, this is 2 square. So square cancel to square root, 36, 12 and 2. Multiply them, 36 multiplied by 12. 24, 6 are 144. 144 and 24 3s are 72. 72 and 14, it will be 86. So 864 square meter. This is the area of the triangular field. Have you understood? Yes. 864 square meter. Is there any doubt? So perimeter of a rectangular field is given and the ratio of the sides also given. So what is the ratio of the sides? 3:4:5. So first I will assume the accurate measurement. It means length, sides of the triangular field 3x meter, 4x meter and 5x meter. Because perimeter is given 144 meter. So if I will add all the sides, it will be equal to 144. So value of x is 12 meter. So multiply 12 with this, it means 36, 48 and 60 meter. These are the sides. Now by using Heron's formula, first find S. S is 72. Then apply this formula S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Simplify 864 square meter. So this is the solution of this question. So this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you.